Sanibonani Maswati kithi kuto tonke tinkhalo telive la kaNgwane sesiselihlelweni i-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini njengenihlala yenta-ke nihleli naye comrade Velaphi wakamamba Sibongo. Mawuthandza-ke ungathi the Black Mamba, the original Black Mamba. Sinivusela Maswati kithi kuto tonke tinkhalo telive nasemagumbini lamane emhlaba lapho ukhona khona ngikhanje uma ngabe uliswati ungabe ungekhathe eveni la kaNgwane noma ungaphandle kwalo live iyanivusela-ke iBlack Mamba namhla kusihlwa tisithupha enyangeni ya-April 2024. Sethemba Maswati ukuthi nonke lapho nikhona khona niphilile. Njengenihlala yenta-ke Maswati sesitawucela ukuthi nitshele bogogo nabomkhulu khona emakhaya ukuthi ukhona-ke umfana wabo Black Mamba, ya umfana wabogogo nabomkhulu lothi kule live lelitawo kulo hulumende weMaswati lo awukhetfwa ngeMaswati lo mshasha bogogo nabomkhulu emakhaya bawuquphuka lapha na 2000 emalangeni ngenyanga. Ya imali layo bayihola leyo bogogo nabomkhulu sekuhlele mbiswe wona umnotho kukhanya ukuthi isipunu selive sibhekiswe kuwo eMaswati ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi Maswati akithi la eveni sipunu sinifulathele sibili. Sihlale sisho-ke la ehlelweni i-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini ukuthi sipunu selive kukhanya ukuthi sibhekiswe kumgodi kawugcwali. Mgodi kawugcwali siyakhumbula Maswati ukuthi ikhuphulela umholo kulo mnyaka wathi umholo nga-55 million. Ya sike sabala-ke emavikini laphelile Maswati akithi ukuthi 55 million usho ukuthini nje esikhwameni salo live, kusho ukuthi iliswati ngalinye mangikhumbula kahle kuthethwe imali enganga-45 emalangeni, imali enganga-45 emalangeni emakhikhini yaya ngqo kuye emgodi kawugcwali. Sengisho ukuthi-ke Maswati akithi yinto-ke leyo lekukhanya ukuthi ayisiyo nani lenhle. Tshela nani-ke Maswati ukuthi sesicalile khona elihlelweni sitabe sikhulumisa sihloko lesikhulu kakhulu ekufuna ukuthi nisethamele nite uqonza kahle ukuthi umoya eveni nalo live elibheke kuphi, njengoba sibona nawo umhlaba utamatiseka uthiniseka kuto tonke tinkhalo tawo umhlaba. Sibona ama-tariffs lamatima lapha afakwa ngumengameli welive laseMelika Donald Trump, lokukhanya ukuthi nelive la kaNgwane nalo litawuthinzeka lihlaseleke kulama-tariffs la lokukhanya ukuthi imithelo lemkhulu impela leyawenda kuthi impilo ibe nzima sibili njengoba sitawuchaza la. Sisahlatiya Donatini khona la ehlelweni Visionary Perspectives eSwatini. Uyawuthi ungangena-ke elihlelweni Maswati akithi bese sewuthinza lona likinobho likinobho lekuhambisa nekushelelisa lona lolu hlelo kuze lifike kuto tonke tinkhalo telive nakuwo lamanye emakhasi emoya kuze kuthe Maswati lapha khona ekudiva letingxoxo letiba khona la ehlelweni loluba khona njalo ngelisonto la kaSwaziland News, lihlelo lepolitiki loludlala ibhedwe eSwatini. Ya nawufuna-ke ipolitiki lehamba embili nawufuna kuhlatuyelwa ipolitiki ngendlela lejulile uyawuthi njalo ngelisonto bese uhlalisana nathi la kaSwaziland News, likhasi lelihamba embili eSwatini latiwa mhlaba wonke jikelele. Angaba khona-ke lamanye amakhasi lapha nalapha kodwa likhasi lelatiwa mhlaba wonke. Lethi noma eMangisa avuka ahlole lona, lethi noma emaMelika avuka ahlole lona, lethi noma ngawuseTurkey uvuka uhlola lona, lothi noma ngawuseShayina uvuka uhlola lona iSwaziland News. La sikhuluma khona-ke la kukhuluma khona iBlack Mamba lo sikhuluma namhla tisithupha. Isihloko sethu-ke Maswati namhla sithi the Royal Eswatini Police's Containment Strategy, State Militarization and the Post-King Mswati Future. Sithi-ke phecelezi nasisibeka ngesiswati sithi sibuka namhla indlela emaphoyisa eveni layisebenzisako kwencabela eMaswati ukuthi abe nenkululeko. lesithi ngesingisi containment strategy, ukuthi basibamba kanjani lokho ukuthi singakhoni ukwenta tintfo la even singakhoni ukubuthana, singakhoni ukukhuluma, singakhoni ukwenta nalokwa, sidabe sikhulumisa leyo ndzaba leyo-ke kabanti. Bese siyendlula lapho sibuka indzaba yekwandza kwemasotsha eveni, la kukhanya khona silive njalo selibala qasha emasotsha, likhuphula tinombolo temasotsha, athi ngabe kubhekwephi. Siyayikhulumisa-ke nayo leyo ndzaba leyo Maswati akithi, sichaze lapha ka-Visionary Perspectives Eswatini ukuthi tentekelani tonke letintfo lentibona tenteka. Siyawuthi-ke ekugcineni bese sikhulumisa eMaswati ukuthi sesifuna eMaswati acale kucabanga likusasa lelingenayo inkosi Mswati wesithathu, pheceleti post King Mswati, the third future. Kufuna kuthi eMaswati acabangisise, ajule kwekuthi le live seyingasekho inkosi Mswati wesithathu liyawumiswa kanjani, liyawuba kanjani. Siyawungena-ke kuleyo ngxoxo leyo kuze silungiselele wona eMaswati ukuthi le live lesihlale sikhuluma ngalo la ka-Visionary Perspectives Eswatini ukuthi akunalive lemndeni la, akunalive lemuntfu, akunalive lasomhlola, akunalive lamahlokohla, inonsense yonke leyo. Live lelikhona leMaswati. Nako lesifuna ukuthi eMaswati akwati, nako futhi lesifuna ukugcizelela khona la ka-Visionary Perspectives Eswatini. Batsheleni-ke bogogo nabomkhulu bangene bahlalisane kanye nami la ngiyanithanza khona emakhaya bogogo nabomkhulu. Solo ngiyagcizelela impela ngithi uhulumende lodako uyawunentela njalo nje ngenyanga yokucala uthethe iyawusentshetwa indzaba yokuthi bogogo nabomkhulu emakhaya imali yabo ikhushulwe ibekwe lapha ku-2,000 emalangeni ngenyanga. Sisho njalo baye bangibude-ke labanye ukuthi manje le mali yawuchamuka kuphi eBlack Mamba, lena lothi bogogo batayihola. Ngithi-ke mina ichamukapi lena lemoshwako nyalo, ichamukapi lena ledliwako nyalo, ngathi idliswa kwemakhiwa. Nasesingenile kukhanya ukuthi uhulumende sowusetandleni teMaswati. Niyawubona ukuthi imali yelive beyisolibhekaphi ngoba iyalungiswa, seyibhekiswa kuwo eMaswati. Silapho-ke eMaswati akithi namhla, kodwa-ke njengoba sihlale senta siyawucala sikhulumise nje indzaba cishe letinengana lapha eMaswati akithi ngoba emavikini laphelile besingekho la. So kunendzaba-ke lesithathikhulumisa kakhulu. Sifuna-ke kucala ngekuthi evikini leliphelile eMaswati bekudalwa yona iBlack Mamba. Khanya ukuthi iminyaka seyilapha kubo 44, ya iminyaka lengemashumi lamane namine. Awu kuyabonakala ukuthi nembala iBlack Mamba nayo naseyithi nje lapha ingeti iminyaka lengu-6 seyawuba likhehla, kubonakala sawu seyiyakhehleta nembala seyijakele lapha kubo 60. Hayi kodwa-ke sisesela ku-44 kuyakhanya ukuthi sisebancane Maswati akithi, kodwa siyabona nasithi siyabuka siyabona netimvu seticala kuvela nalapha hawu sekuvela timvu, kuyabonakala ukuthi hawu kuyakhuleka. Kodwa-ke into lenhle leyo Maswati akithi lesiyemukelako ngoba noma ngathiwa kuvela imphandla, ngikhumbula lokho angisakhula sisakhula lapha ngangithi-ke bani nabathi nabangibuka babone leli bunti lelidze bangihleka la esikolweni nje. Kukhanya ukuthi ikakhulu lapha e-primary school, ya uyawukhumbula Sicelo Simelane lapha nabo Emerensha lapha lesasikhula nabo nabo Fiona, ngabe basekuphi nje. Ngiyethemba bangilalela la ka-Visionary Perspectives Eswatini, ngiyabavusela labakhona. Yayithi-ke le ndzaba kuthiwa-ke nabangibuka bathi hawu unemphandla wena velaphi, bangihleke unemphandla. Ya manje-ke ngiyamangala sola yimili Maswati akithi, njengoba ningibona nje tinwele nathi solo khona. Manje nase ngithi ngiyahamba lapha ngike ngaba kaManzini nje kulamalanga laphelile, ngithi ngiyahamba lapha kaManzini, ngiyababona labanye babo, ngibabona banetimphandla. Ngithi hawu leti mphandla setahlasela nine tashiya mine ngemuva kwase kwenta njani. Cha Maswati akithi kutekula nje ngilandzela ukuthi tilokotho tenu ngelisuku lekutalwa Maswati sitibongile kakhulu. Sithi vele-ke sibancane nathi kokuthi live lingasihalalisela lisithumelele tilokotho tilokotho letinhle nakangaka basibhalele bantu lapha basibhalela basifaka nakuma-status labanye basifaka kubo-inbox labanye kwabanjeya hawu kwaba kuhle nalapha emakhasini emoya netinhlangano tepolitiki nato tasifisela tasihalalisela. Awu siyabonga kakhulu Maswati akithi kuyasijabulisa lokho. Sethembe ukuthi niyawenda njalo nakulabanye baholi nabo bantu laba kulomzabalazo nemisebenzi welive kuhle ku-appreciate-wa ngumhlaba wakini. Siyabonga-ke Maswati akithi kulelo hlangothi sendluleke siphinde sithi namuhla njengoba ting6 nje lusuku lekutalwa le-last born ye-Black Mamba asiviwe ungaye Mamba umfana wami is turning 8 years old. Naye-ke siyamhalalisela wenkosi sithi ukhule ndvulini ube nenwele loluthe uhalaliselwa ngubaba wakho la ka-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini. Lo mfana-ke utalwa kanye neMhleli ngoba neMhleli Zweli Martin Dlamini naye namhla kuyakhanya iyatalwa le terrorist namhla. Siyakufisela nawe Mlangeni ekhaya sithi linwele loluthe Nkosi. Siyethemba sibonge kuyawuhamba kahle kusalungiswa lona live siyawujinga ngelinye ilanga kukhanya siyalapha kalamgabhetiyeni siyawudla inyama lokubonakala ukuthi inyama yemvu. Ngiyathi-ke lokho ukuthi bakadlamini abayidli inyama kodwa-ke yemvu awusihlabela wena. Wena uyawusuhlaba imbuti udla yona thina siyawudla imvu. No, happy birthday Mlangeni, happy birthday nakubo bonke nje labatalwa kulolu suku lwanamhla. Sendlule-ke Maswati akithi sithi siphinde sihalalisele lusha lwenhlangano lenkulu eveni i-People's United Democratic Movement iPUDEM. Njengoba sihlale sisho Maswati ukuthi wonke umuntu la eveni lofuna inkululeko kule ngcilato lekhungethe live uyiPUDEM lo muntu loyo. Sithi-ke wonke umuntu ufuna akwati lokho ukuthi noma sekubonakala ukuthi live seliyakhiwa eMaswati ayawakhele kwePUDEM kwakhiwe live liyembili live liqhubeke likhule ngoba wonke umuntu lomelelene nebukhosi uyiPUDEM. Nabogogo nabomkhulu le emakhaya nasi sakhula bebasiyala lapha nakubonakala sisenda into lengathi i-progressive bathi uyiPUDEM ngoba bayati bogogo nabomkhulu ukuthi wonke umuntu lofuna impilo lekahle uyiPUDEM. Nabo bogogo nabomkhulu bayiPUDEM empeleni eMaswati nje jikelele ayiPUDEM. Sithi-ke sifuna kubongela lusha lwenhlangano lenkulu i-main and largest iPUDEM kutshengisa wona umhlaba ukuthi ema-internal processes ekuhlala kulolongwe kwetindzaba delive ngoba lo mkhambathi welishumi nesithathu weSwayoko bekungasiko nje kokuthi mhlawumbe ngilokukhetha yini lokumgcoka. Into lebeyimgcwa kakhulu ngilokubuka lelive kokuthi selikuphi-ke lelive kuyo ipolitiki abantu labasha lichasa labo nabasahlatiya tinto bacwaninga babuka baphikisana bavumelana basebenta tona tindzaba telive kutetemnotho kutenhlalakahle kutenkolo kutemasiko lokwenteka emhlabeni lesithi ma-geopolitics kuhamba kanjani. Kufuneka ukuthi abantu labasha bona beme kuphi enthunjeni la kubonakala khona ukuthi bayawuma esikhaleni kokuthi live likhululeke ngoba kude live lelikhululeka Maswati akithi bangekho bantu abasha. So bekunalowo msebenzi-ke siyabonga ukuthi uhleli kahle lo msebenzi wabanjwa ngendlela lefanele bantu abasha batikhulumisa tindzaba siyathemba ukuthi siyawubona masinyane tincumo labathethe kuthi umkhombandlela webantu abasha eveni uthini kubhekwe kuphi. Siphindze ke sihalalisele bona labaphakanyisiwe ngoba phela idemocracy, the people talk and the people decide. Nasithi nje the people are sovereign, sisho kona ukuthi nase kukhulumeke livoti sebase nikhulumile nonke ukuthi awu nami samdla ngiyasiphakamisa ngingahola kuyaye bese ke sekukhuluma labantu ukuthi cha sifuna kuholwa ngunana sebakhulumile ke lesifuna ukugcizelela ngilokho ukuthi ke siyalibongela kakhulu lithimba lakhe umengameli welusha comrade Sakhile Awuviva Nxumalo lo abantu abasha bathi akabuyele abahole nalelo thimba lakhethwe nalo. Siyabahalalisela kakhulu nekugcizelela ke Maswati lokho ukuthi ukhethwa mbambambamba kuba sesikhundleni akusiko lokumgcoka lokumgcoka ngilokwenda lo msebenzi ungaba sesikhundleni kodwa kukhanya ukuthi you are just a cabbage in the position. You are not delivering anything. You are useless, a very useless idiot who has a position. So there's a difference between occupying a position and working for whatever cause or task you have been assigned to work on. So sifuna ke gcizelela lokho ukuthi nalabo labangakhethwa bangadiveli ba despondent. Yes, ungete wakhethwa, but that doesn't take away your agency and the contributions that you can make still to the revolution in many different ways. Akusiko nje ukuthi kuze usebenzele live kufanele kube nesikhundla. Cha. Leadership is not the position. Leadership is a function of sacrifice, service, and mutual respect for those people that you work with, and discharging the functions of a leader, even outside of a leadership position. Sifuna kusho njalo ke siyayibongela kakhulu iCongress, sibonge futhi nemsebenzi lomuhle lewendile to recognize our stalwart and long-serving icon, Comrade Peter Mbandlana Shongwe. Lesibonile lapha ahlomeliswa ngeportrait lenhle sibili arecognizwa yinvo ke lenhle lefuna ukuthi sichubeke siyende nalakulabanye baholi bawo umbutho siba recognize for umsebenzi lomuhle labawendele lona live. Sifuna ke Maswati ukuthi sibese siphinde sikhulumisa indzaba lesiyibonile, indzaba ye-road levy. Sibonile ukuthi njalo nyalo na uthenga petrol noma uthenga diesel, uhulumende utawuthatha 40 cents ekhikhini leMaswati. Lekhanya ukuthi kuthiwa imali le yakulungisa imigwaqo elive. Lesitibuta kona ke kunoko ukuthi le migwaqo elive njengoba iyabhajethelwa njalo nakusuka umnyaka kuba nema budgets aloko nalamahekeni nakungena emaloli kungena imoto kukole kwabo road tax kuphindze nalana imoto yakho njalo ngeminyaka ine license disc lefanele uyibhadalele ukuthi hawu kulomnyaka ngiyayithelela le moto solo tindleko leto Maswati tetimoto yaphuma imoto ingena ngala eSwatini ilayishe tindlo itawubhadala umthelo thide lo road tax nangabe ngema trucks nangabe yini uma ngabe imoto yangala eSouth Africa lene foreign registration nakhona iyabhadala imali leya etimotweni. Umbuto uthi sikuphi lesidingo sekuthi kuphindze kubuthwe lenye imali lengu 40 cent ngoba njengoba nje sike sabala la emakhasini ethu nakhona la kaSwaziland News ke kwabala kuyabonakala ukuthi le mali cishe ngeminyaka iyawuya lapha ku 150 million ngetulu kwalenye imali lebuthwa khona la kulo petrol lokuthiwa imali yaka MVA. Lese sibona ukuthi badzangene leka MVA le ndlela labadanga ngayo ngale mali ayiwasidi eMaswati esikhundleni kudlalwa ngayo. Namhlanje bekunemidlalo la sekwentiwa skeshi lapha kubuya abantu lapha kuthiwe kupronyotwe emasiko, kupronyotwa sport, kanti kupronyotwa inkosi. Kulambe ama-South Africans la kutawufuneka nje ukuthi si-mass democratic movement siyisukumele le nto cultural boycott again. We need to mobilize the South African entertainment industry, ma-influencers ala siyabona lokhu kusetshenziswa wona kuzama kumaketha lobukhosi. So we really have to get onto a very serious program and push back against that nonsense. Kodwa ke besila ekutheni Maswati le ndzaba yale levy ingeta etikwemithelo leminye leseyikhona even lebesolo sikhala ngayo. And eMaswati nangaba ngacaphele impela ayawuhamba ngcono. eMaswati uma ngabe angasukumi ayawuhamba ngcono kulomnyaka lona, angifuni kuniyena. Asenginikhumbude nje Maswati akithi la kukhushulwe gas nga-15%. Nikhumbule ukuthi lo gas ukhushulwe nga-15%, 8% kulomnyaka, 7% eminyakeni lodako, ngi-15% lo. Etukwaloko kukhushulwe manje nga-12%, 4% lomnyaka lo, 4% lomnyaka lotako, 4% 2027, 12% loyo. Nyalo la eSouth Africa kukhushulwe i-VAT nga-0.5%. Itawuphinza ikhushulwe eminyaka lontako ngalomunye 0.5%, lusho ukuthi ngi-1% loyo. Ngoba iSouth Africa nayikhulisa imithelo, nathi kufuna sikhulise nendzaba yesakho nekuthengiselana eveni kuze kutomesha kahle letinto. Etikwaloko sekukhushulwe ke petrol futhi nga-40 cent. Isho ukuthini yonke lento lena Maswati? Isho lento lena ukuthi sisemhlolweni lomkhulu la. Le live leli is going to implode. It's going to implode, and it's and there's going to be another unrest in the country. Ngoba etikwale mithelo le Maswati inkosi Mswati itikhuphulele liholo nga-55 million yona. Bogogo nabomkhulu bona bakhushulelwe nga-100 rand. Inkosi ikhushulelwe nga-55 million. Ngetulu kwale tinkinga lesinato nyalo live leMelika nyalo nasilithengisela timpahla selita charge 10% i-tariff, losho ukuthi umthelo tonke timpahla letakhiwe eSwatini letiye eMelika iMelika itawufika itithelise nga-10% leto timpahla leto. Into lebeyingendeki ngasemuva lebekwendeka ngilokuthi thine besithelisa timpahla teMelika nga-10%. Seyithi ke nato cha nayo seyitawuthelisa letethu. Lokho kweMaswati konke ukhomba ukuthi impilo setaba lukhuni kakhulu eSwatini, ngoba letimali lebetibuthwa la kulenzela lesetibuyele emuva eMelika. Lento lena ke Maswati isho ukuthi nale Africa Growth Opportunity Act, i-AGOA, lesike sabona uhulumende ashaya impiko ngayo. Labaqwaninqako basitshela ukuthi le mithelo lefakwe live leMelika ikhomba ukuthi i-AGOA seyiphelile. Losho ukuthi na uthengisela iMelika nyalo ulive laseSwatini sekude kusitakala lo tawunikwa kona noma kubonelelwa kuthiwe nathi impahla takho utithengise kumbe ngenzela lengcono kunalamanye emave. Nyalo sesitawukhompyutha, sesitawucudzelana nemave emhlaba njengoba athengisa nawo. Netimpahla lesitimixa eMelika sethi njengoba sengishito tiyawutheliswa lo 10% wenzela. Tonke lenvo leti Maswati tenteka tikwe esigaba sekwekuthi i-Southern African Customs Union lokusikhwama la sithatha khona imali leningi cishe 40% or 45% webudget yelive ichamuka kasakho, nayo lo nyaka yehlile leyo mali leyo. Kodwa sibona kukhuliswa i-expenditure yebukhosi, sibona kukhuliswa i-expenditure yembi njengoba sitawukhuluma nge-militarization. Sibona kodwa timali letiye eMaswatini tona tiyancishiswa. Letinfo leti ke eMaswati tichaza ukuthi le live has a proper basket or menu of ingredients for a revolution. This is what's going to happen. Lengifuna ke ukuthi eMaswati kulesigaba lesi angaphinza tumeke. Ngoba lento letako siyayibona naye ayiseda lapha kufuna ke siyilungiselele kufana nje nabatshela ukuthi hey kutawuba nazamqolo niyalungisa nigibele endlini emathayela nowashayela etindlu kuze nafika lo zamcolo ningalali ngaphandle nathi ke thina lesifuna inkululeko kufuna athi nyalo sicale kulungiselela ukuthi kukhona lokudako futhi mangabe kubonakala ukuthi akutifikeli kwendiwe ngithi le ukuthi kufike we must trigger or we must catalyze the actions that are going to result in a revolution in our country. Lento lefuna siyende leyo Maswati ngoba tonke letinto lentichazako le tichaza ukuthi leli seligcilatekile la libanjwe ngumgodi kawugcwali lona alithuthuki tonke letinto lesithi siyadenda la vele diphethela ekuthenini imali deliver digcine kusekhikhini laMswati nebakubo thina singeMaswati kubutelele siniketwa kona lesikutholako libe lelive lingelethu kuqhamuka abantu laba libale kuhamba bathi bavule ema-factory nawuthi uyangena la khathi kulama-factory eMaswati ahola bo-800 bo 1.5 kodwa bona labantu labavula lama-factory bahola bo-70,000 laMaswati avuliswe imisebenzi ekuwachaphatha nje la kade ahola bo-2,000 bo 1.5 khona ngiyo-ke lento le Maswati letasihlupha letawufuna ukuthi silisebente lelive ngoba njengoba sisho thina la ehlelweni ngokuthi kufuneka uhulumende afake i-minimum wage ukuthi wonke umuntu aqale kuhola esigabeni lesithide sithi-ke la eka-visionary perspectives eSwatini i-minimum wage kufuna ukuthi live lihlale phasi liyakhe kodwa nje sicalelo lesingiso kungaba ngu-3,500 to 5,000 emalangeni ubonakala lesi lonke eliswade eveni noma welusa inkomo noma uyapheka ekhishini ngoba lenye into leyinkinga Maswati ngilokuthathela leminye imisebenzi phasi sicabanga ukuthi bantu labasebenza emakhishini bantu labaselusela inkomo kufuna ukuthi bona bahole kancane sibagcilane kufuna kube nemithetho ethi nabo iphakame lemiholo yabo ngoba ngeke uzukhona kuba ngi-CEO wena ngeke ukhona ekusebenza ulivule lelibhange ngeke ukhona ke emasotsheni ngeke ukhona ke emaphoyiseni uma be kude umuntu otawusala gatsa abantu bakho mabe kude umuntu otawusala washa impahla takho wena lemve ekhaya akuklinela indlu yakho akulusela inkomo takho akubonela ikhaya lakho so le ndzaba ye decent wage and decent pay for eMaswati is an important one lokuyawufuna ukuthi lihlale phasi likhulumise lokuthi sikwenda kanjani ukuthi sakhe ema-industries latawukhona lokubaholela labantu letimali letiphilako letiyawukwenda ukuthi bakhone kusurvive asisho Maswati ukuthi kuyawuba into lelula kwenda lo but we do need to start thinking at a very meta level about how we can make sure ukuthi tinto leti kanjalo kucala kwendeka kulelive ngoba lelive linawo lama means sihlale sibekisa la ukuthi live lakithi mbamba kude singo sekuthi libe nebantu labaphuyile because comparatively now libuka ulicathanise nalamanye amave live lobonako lokuthi lingayenda i-difference etimpilweni debantu kuphela uma letimali delive tingasetshenziswa ngendlela lephilako nangendlela leyendelwe ukuthi kubenefite wona laMaswati sini Maswati sifuna ke ukuthi kuyabonakala la ukuthi lembila siyakhona kulukhuni Maswati mfuni kunyenga kulukhuni mbamba litawucollapse lelive especially because nalabantu labalholako uyababona lokho ukuthi kude le political will kusebenzisa indlela yokuthi onke eMaswati lakhona evena contribute ukuthi lelive lingelapheka kanjani kulesimo lesitaba and lokho kungendeka only in a democratic setup where all the voices eMaswati ayevakala. And that's why eMaswati kumcoka ukuthi tinhlangano tepolitiki tingancatshelwa event tivulwe kuze ukuthi imicondvo yonke lekhona kule live ikhona kusebenziseka. Kwanyalo le live lisebenzisa imicondvo yebantfu banye lekukhanya ukuthi akusibona nabo lesingathi they are the brightest lamp in the street. So kunaleyo problem ke leyo lekufuna ukuthi live liyibuka. Sifuna ke kugcizelela lokho ukuthi lama increases onke lesiwabonako lesikhuluma ngawo afaka ikhathi iParliament. Ngeke ngasho ke eMaswati nangasemuva ngidawuphinza la ngiyaye ngibone ke nalabanye baholi sebangibhalela ngasese ukuthi ngingabodisho intwe leti kanje. Lo hlelo lo visionary perspectives eSwatini alwesabi muntu alugegi lutho futhi ngidawuphinza ngithi lo hulumende lesinawo lo wakhiwe ngimangololo, lo hulumende lesinawo wakhiwe iSwalimo, lo hulumende lesinawo wakhiwe iSwadepa, lo hulumende lesinawo wakhiwe isive sincaba. Nabo bantu labasihlanganyelako lo ngikhuluma sikhuliselwa bogesi, sikhuliselwa iParliamente yabo, sikhuliselwa emanti, sikhuliselwa iParliamente yabo, sikhuliselwa iVAT njengoba itawukhuliswa ngibo. Inkosi ikhulishelwa nga-55 million ukhuliswe ngibo. So uyabona ke eMaswati ukuthi nasithi le Parliamente linkundla kufuneka ukuthi siyivumele thina ukuthi ibe khona. Sisuke sisho tintfo leti njengaleti ngoba siyati lokho ukuthi naso ulapha ngekhathi le pressure iba inkulu ngalokho ukuthi kude emaphathi lave ungaze ukhethe ungenele ngekhathi so uwedvana ngiko nabaceda sasele yedwa seyindzaba yalabancane bethu ukumnaka ukuthi yathi phela kunabacede kunamthandeni kunakhomanda kuna Sigwili Vilakati kunathabiso Nxumalo kuna Mabuya Khulu nawo onke lama political prisoners seyisele ngathi labancane labakhanyiselekile lokuthi lama political prisoners they are part of us. The rest abasayingena indzaba yabo abasanenzaba na but lokho kubangelwa yini? Kubangelwa ukuthi ikakhulu when it comes to members of parliament le individual merit lokhu ungena lapha ngekhathi awukameleli party thide noma ungalethwa ngile party ikuyenge ithi sitakukhetha sikumikise lapha yenge lesive but naso ulapha ngekhathi so i-free agent. Ngiko kwayona le party ayisakhona ukukusebenzisa nekukunqanza nekukujubela ukuthi hey phela wafakwa ngithi la ngoba lo mthetho awuvumi lokuthi bani bangeniswe yini ngilama party la parliament. At the same time from a moral argument lawo maphathi lawo are complicit kuyenga eMaswati ukuthi angenele luphetho lwenkundla. They are complicit and nyalo laMaswati ayahlupheka ahlushwa ngile parliament lokwathiwa sikhuda ukuthi abantu abangayi kuyo kwathiwa bachubeke baye kuyo. Sifuna ke eMaswati kusale siyivala lendzaba lena yeParliament ngekuthi sithi eMaswati onke nyaka akanake afocuse endzabeni yokuketula lo hulumende wenkundla including le parliament yenkundla. This is what we must do. Everyone now yonke into lo yendako nyaka dibude ethi le nto lengiyendako does it further the agenda yekususa lo mbuso wenkundla ngoba kuze laMaswati liqhamiseke lelithuba kufuneka uketulwe lo hulumende wenkundla Maswati. Ngifuna kunitshela liciniso leli ngatolikelwa ngumuntu ningive kahle lo hulumende lo holwa ngumSwati akusiyi hulumende weMaswati. Uhulumende lekufuna ukuthi simketule sifake uhulumende weMaswati lo uyawenda tidzingo teMaswati. Ngifuna kuvakale kahle lokho and konke ke la sihlangana khona singeMaswati akufuneki siyengane ngenzabe ukuthi hey manje uyabona nje lapha eParliament sengancenga asincenga lutho nyalo la siketula lento siyayisusa sakha uhulumende weMaswati. Nako nje lokumcoka lesifuna kuku sifuna ke kugcina la Maswati sisakhulumisa lendzaba lelo ukuthi sithi and engathi umphefumulo wakhe angalala ngekuthula sibona nayo indzaba yaSenzo Gondwe. Lena uthi uyayibuka indzaba yakhe, it's very painful. Umuntu lo wathola ingoti almost over a decade ago. MVA yadlala ngaye, yamhlisa yamenyusa, kodwa MVA iyakwati kubamba imicimbi yebhola nesibhaca ne-entertainment ngemali yedigulane. Labantu bebadlala ibhola namuhla lapha kaSomhlobo bebagijima etikwengadi yebantu labafile lamigwaqweni, bangacompensatwa, imindeni yabo yangacompensatwa, bantu labahleli kuma-wheelchair, lo ngikhuluma, labanganikwa imali ngalokufanele nge-MVA. MVA uthatha imali yabo udlala ngayo. Ngito letinto leti Maswati lefuna ukuthi sicinele ukuthi leli live silungise, ngoba semaningi lama-sectors la kudlalwa ngetimali temaswati khona. Uya ka-pension fund la kugcinwe timali temaswati khona, tiyatshiwo timali temaswati, emaswati ashaywe ti-stroke afe. Kubuya tikimu lapha exponent kotshiwe timali temaswati afe emaswati angatholi timali tabo tempensheni. Kubuye boswiti kuvulwe tikimu lapha tindlovukazi nabothuli dladla thathwe timali temaswati tidliwe kungabi indzaba yalutho. Lelive leli lamaswati nje wona fanele alibale kumunywa. Yonke into lenteka kulelive kumunya lamaswati. Nanyalo sibona indzaba yeSwaziland, nakhona siyeva kulahleke millions. Lo CEO wakhona noMaboshwa uyathathwa ntantamkiswe nge-double cab, tiboshwa letinye ikakhulu tepolitiki tifakwa ngisho tingetama, ungazi ukuthi i-terrorist le yabo Osama bin Laden. Kodwa lesigebengu lesikhulu lesi not only lesibe ne-contempt of court lokuvakalako ukuthi sigangile kulahleka millions lapha kaSwaziland, sona siyatototiswa, nasiyiswe ejele, siyatototiswa, silamba ngemoto yembuso, sifakwe la ngemuva, sihlale ngembili ku-double cab. What kind of country is this where we'll have a country that has got laws that have eyes? Umthetho lobukako ukuthi lona ke ngibani, asimtreat ngana indlela naye. No Maswati. So lento lenteka lapha ka-MVA. Ngiyajabula nje ngoba ngike ngabona i-conversation lapha bo-comrade Mido and others, and muhle lo mcondo baholi, ngicela ukuthi nichubeke niwusebende. And ngicabanga ukuthi futhi naningaxhumana naNaSwavisa nisebenzisane naye kwakha lenhlangano yebantu labalimele lamigwaqweni, nebantu labafile lamigwaqweni labagcilatwa nge-MVA. Ufuna there must be an action organization created, an advocacy entity that will work on the protection of the rights of citizens who have suffered either death or disability or any other injury or a form of danger on our roads. Ladlala ngabo MVA, and that advocacy entity must focus kulendzaba yokuthi letimali tiyekele kufakwa lemabholeni nasematshwaleni nasetibhaceni. Letimali leti fanele tisebente letindzaba taletigulane letilimala lamgwaqweni. And le mali leni ithathwa kithi singemaswati ine-levy yayo nayo lethathwa lapha naseThatmore. Njengoba besibekisa sebafaka 40 cent, kune-levy lenye yaka-MVA la kuthathwa le mali lesekudlalwa ngayo khona lechaphatiswa kwemakhiwo. And so we need to fix this country Maswati akithi ngokuthi la maswati athathwa njani kuleli vele. Sekufuna la maswati agcine anjani, ahamba ngemathambo kuze kubonakale ukuthi ahlupheka. Sekudzinga vele kubethe inyama ngisho ethanjeni usale lithambo lodvwane limhlophe. This is what this regime is turning emaswati into, and we sithina that is not sustainable. Angeke khona lento lethi siyeke lilibale kuchubeka, siyeke lilibale kuchubeka, siyeke lilibale kuchubeka. So asesingeneni ke eMaswati akithi enkulumeni yethu yanamuhla. Bekumcwathi ngikhulumise tonke lendzaba lengitikhulumisile eMaswati engishinto ukuthi le viki liphele bengekho, so ke ngidakubeketelela kuloko ngidawusama ukuthi nginciphise la kule lesesingena kuto, ngidawuba very direct and straightforward kule tindzaba lesitikhulumisako la. What is a containment strategy? Sibuka ke amaphoyisa lelive leli Maswati ngifuna ni-understande kahle ukuthi kwathathwa sinqumo kadzeni lathi lelive leli kuze lingakhululeki, labantu bangakhululeki, emaphoyisa kente isiciniseko sekuthi konke la kuhlangane bantfu khona bahlangene ngendzaba nje lefaka ipolitiki tsite, abavalwe labantfu la. So kufana nekuthi nje ungathatha uthathe ilokhuzana tinkomo tivalele la esibayeni bese uvala lesibaya tiqwalise la khathi tithi noma tufuna kokudla letinkomo tingakhona ukuphuma, uvale lo mnyango ugcine letinkomo la khathi frustrated. That is what is happening to eMaswati. There is no outlet because uma ngabe bantu baphila kufuna kube khona labahlangana khona bakhulume tindzaba tabo njengoba nyalo sibona nje eMelika itolo eMelika bekaphume lonke lelive ato ekhuta Donald Trump ukuthi yathi lento lo yenda kakusile sakukhethela kuyena. Labantu they are expressing themselves, so political expression and organizing and freedom of association and assembly are inherent rights le eMaswati njengawo onke emazwe anelungelo lekuba nawo. Lelungelo lekusukuma nakukhona lokunyatheleke khona ukhulume ethi yathi nginyathelekile lungelo lakho njengeliswati lelo. So i-containment strategy it crushes that. Losho ukuthi it takes away the ability yalaMaswati to organize. So what we are seeing here, the containment strategy, they diffuse and neutralize any political event that's happening in the country. Of course, they are very harsh on certain political organs like Pudemo, for example, and perhaps a bit lenient on others. But the truth of the matter is that the space of civic expression in the country has been shut down using this police containment strategy. And where do the police draw their power to do this? So what has happened in Swaziland is that you have a constitution that is now muted. Kunemtsetfosisekelo longasiyo umtsetfosisekelo. Ngiko sithi under the 5-point plan of the MSF, we need a new constitution in this country because the constitution lesinayo le akusiyi constitution, yi document nje kuye ngabantu ukuthi ngathi la kangwane ngathi kunemithetho kanikude. Lama rights lakhona lapha Bill of Rights of the Constitution, they don't accrue to the citizens, which means lama rights angaba khona in black and white but akekho in practice. So the praxis of the state in terms of how it discharges itself is such that the rights of eMaswati are taken away from them. And this is what is called the containment strategy. And what is it that makes these security forces emboldened? It's because you have the constitution on the one hand that gives these rights, but then you have a basket of other laws that take away these rights. What are these laws? There's the Suppression of Terrorism Act, there's this Sedition and Subversive Activities Act of 1938, there's the Public Order Act, and limited recently a judgment of the Supreme Court, if I recall very well, late last year, ruled ukuthi le unconstitutional. But these laws are inherently unconstitutional because these laws give the state overarching power to do as it wishes in terms of curtailing and taking away civic rights. So you can't talk, you can't assemble, you can't associate, you can't express yourself. everything in this country. Once you try and do that, they will send the police on you. Even on very serious issues. Let's take this case here, Swazimed. We see the police coming into a corporate business meeting and stopping a press conference of a business entity that has got nothing to do with the state. And they go in there and they stop it. Of course, the government has got a shareholding at Swazimed, but that's a shareholding in a business setting, not in a necessarily a securitized setting. Then you send in the police to stop the meeting. You have junior police officers who are demanding a legitimate payback from a legal instrument issued by the government, a secular, that was issued about 10 years ago, that gave them increments in terms of their remuneration. And now you're using the police to stop these junior officers from demanding their pay. Because even that very instrument that was used, that gazette or whatever it's called, that was giving an increment to these junior officers, was malicious because it was not giving other civil servants the same. So now there's this quandary that has been created where if the government gives the junior police officers the increase, other civil servants will rightfully demand the same. They would be foolish not to. The soldiers will demand it, the teachers will demand it, the nurses will demand it, everyone will demand it. So what is the government trying to do now? The government is trying to say, no, there's a consultant, we'll just put everything in one basket, the consultant will address this issue. But the consultant will not address the issue because the consultant will equalize and just give a review for everyone. It's not going to pay the junior officers the monies that they are owed, which run into the hundreds of thousands, and in some cases, millions. So this is the problem. So now, nabakhuluma leti ndzaba leti, letilima temaphoyisa lamanye, atiboni ukuthi kukhulunywa indzaba letawusita nananato, ikakhulu namaphoyisa ka-Osu. Itilima lengazange sengitibona kusentshetwa indzaba lekuthi kukhuphule iholo lakho kuhamba wena embili uphethe isicwayi uphethe tear gas uyomisa lo muntu lokhuluma lokho lothi fanele kuhole wena uyomshaya niyam-abducta lo Dumisile Khumalo niyam-abducta niyamthatha niyomlahla emahlathini lo muntu okhulumela nini ethi nihola imali engcono. What kind of rubbish are you? I mean, who thinks the way you do? Noma ngilokubutheka noma yini lobulima lo leni bendawo. Because bulima lento leni yendawo. Lo muntu ukhulumela nini ethi nithole indlela ekuphila lengcono lephakeme. Nine niyamthatha niyamshaya. Ngekuthi nje kuphuma i-order, le order ikhishwa abantu labayithola bona le mali. Anicabangi leti ngcondo akusebenzi. Nithwele manje nje mhlawumbe nithwele ticwayi yabona ingqondo kude. Stop this nonsense, police officers. Stop this nonsense. We have said many times, start joining the revolution. Buyani ngakithi. Lelive leli kuze lichubekele embili selivinjwe ngini nine bane niphatha tibhaka. Sengini enivimbelelile. And we are saying stop this. Stop this and join the people so that we can solve this problem, this intractable problem that is facing our country. All of us, including Nan Mapoiso, have a role to play in a hostile session about what role the police, the military, and others can play in making sure that this country transitions to a democratic state. So, let me tell you, and kungedwele eminye imithetho la ngetulu labo cyber crime nabo internet governance laws that have been added to this basket of very regressive laws lende lokho ukuthi emaswati la maswati nje ahlale nje asuppressiwe njangakhona inkulumo le nto ke la inkinga khona amaswati ngiloko ukuthi lo cinzetela la maswati akuyicethi le nkinga It doesn't take away the political, excuse me, it doesn't take away the political crisis and problem that this country is facing. So ngeke sichubeke eMaswati sithi asibe nahulumende lotaba ne-ostrich syndrome, hulumende lotawuthatha inhloko ayifake emhlabathini acabanga ukuthi so le nkinga seyitawuhamba ngoba le hloko seyisemhlabathini. Ngeke ihambe le nkinga. This country has a political problem. And we have a political problem in this country. And unless we solve this political problem, all the problems we have will continue. And what's going to happen? But if you use a containment strategy, you can contain them. But at some point, the people will just burst. So the containment strategy is a stopgap measure. It works in the short term. It's not an intelligent strategy to deal with issues of national security. The intelligent strategy is to deal with the root causes of the problems. So what needs to happen here, we need a leadership that says, what are these underlying problems that keep making these people do what they are doing? And how do we solve them? And I'm saying the nkinga lesinayo thina la ekule live is largely a political problem. So in order to deal with it, we must find political solutions. Le mithetho le lesetshenziswako ine philosophy yes zero tolerance towards civic rights. In a zero tolerance towards the rights of the public to associate, to assembly, to express themselves, and be citizens. So there is a tension in the country where we are being continuously forced to be subjects when we know that we should be citizens. And for some of us, this is unacceptable. We can never accept to be subjects in a country where we should be citizens. We will never accept that. And we will never subject ourselves nor our children to that kind of nonsense anymore. And this is what this struggle is about. And la visionary perspectives eSwatini, we want you, Maswati, to be very clear ukuthi nasikhuluma ukuthi sizabalazela khula leli besikhuluma ngalo. Asifuni kuphathwa ngumndeni lenyalo uholwa ngumswati. Kude live lamhlabeni leliholwa ngumndeni noma leliphathwa ngumndeni. Onke amave emhlaba aholwa bohulumende labakhethwa abantu. Period. Sifuna lokho nje. Sifuna ukuthi kube nahulumende lokhethwe sibe properly and fully. Hayi ukuthi eMaswati atawukhetha ngweshana bese kuchamuka umndeni ubeka uhulumende. Asikufuni lokho. Sifuna lo hulumende wonke. Njengoba bekhetha nje iswayokho ikhethe konke kude ukuthi hey laba ke bakhethwe baholi bephudemo la khethe le youth yakhetha bani abatawuhola iyouth naku uhulumende ufuna kube kanjalo ufuna thina eMaswati sikhethe uhulumende lotawuhola leli hayi ukuthi sibekelwe nine bakaDlamini sibekelwe bomSwati nishethi ningemakhosi emakhosi ekunuka asiyifuni leyo nto leyo and sifike la sithi khona singeMaswati kude inkosi letasiphatha singafuni. We're not subjects of anyone, we're citizens. So everyone in this country must be liberated ngokuthi wonke umuntu sukela uliswane utalwa kuleli vele utalwa uyi-citizen. You are not going to be born a subject. We're not going to allow our children to be subjects of you people. We're not going to allow that. And that is what Maswati kufuna nasikhuluma indzaba ekhula live ngiko ufuna sibeke eceleni yonke le nonsense yabo parliament nemahlahlandlela nayo yonke le rubbish and focus on saying how do we move this revolution from point where sithi sifuna nyalo ukuthi thina singeMaswati sisuke la sifike la siphatha khona le live singeMaswati lethu le live alisilo lemndeni wakaDlamini alisilo lakabo Sikhanyiso alisiko lakabo Lindani alisiko lakabo Sicalo le Maswati le live period. This is what we are saying. And konke lesikwendako fanele kube attuned to the vision of a new Swaziland that belongs to a Maswati, not a Swaziland that belongs to a royal family. don't want to be ruled by the king. And funambe clear lo, we don't want a king. We want a democratic government. The king and his family must be subjected to a sovereign democratic government of the people, not the other way around. Not that the people must be subjected to the whims of a family. What kind of nonsense is that? In the 21st century, we're not going to accept that. So we are saying, emaswati onge akakonze kahle emakhaya. Ngoba siyathi sile makhaya ufakwa lo moya ukuthi oh leli veleli le makhosi sonke siyahlehla siyabutheka kunjani njani hayi rubbish leyo kude asibutheki laveni lethu lelive labo mkhulu wethu bogogo wethu balilwela balifela baya ngisho empini yemhlaba lelive lela akusilo lemuntu silo lemndeni. So the struggle is about that. Number two, sibuka ke indaba militarization. Sengishito ukuthi la even siyabona khula indzaba yekucashwa kwemasoja. Sithi ke sifuna nje kungabe solo sanza kakhulu ukuthi bakwenelani ngoba niyati. Bayesaba, they are afraid of us. And rightfully so, because we are saying we are coming. We want our country back. We want our country back. And I want to say just few brief things about this. eMaswati, they need to establish their own defense organ. We must establish our own defense organ in order. That's one thing we must do. So we must be unapologetic. Whatever scenario plays itself out in this country, we must be there and we must be ready for it. And part of doing that, the army must become a very special focus of the mass democratic movement. We must focus on the army. We must focus on recruiting people in the army to join us. We must focus also on making sure that my comrades, my comrades in your strategic places, visible publicly, my comrades. We want you to join the army in your numbers. The mass democratic movement must take over the army. They must participate in the recruitment process. Hambani niyembuluzi niyo trainer, but you will train as a masoja elive nini latawukhulula lelive kusasa. So we are saying, all of you who are interested in a new democratic Swaziland, don't miss the opportunity yale recruitment. We know we're safe about background checks and all that. Just play your cards close to your chest. If you have an opportunity, get into the army. You are going to be part of the people's army. You will give us intelligence. You will work there. You will get the guns. You will get the ammunition. You will get everything. Ngito lele fanele sitijikise tibuyelele kubo letelive. That's what we must do. So we are saying, comrades, if we are a comrade, we want you in the army. We need that army in order to dislodge this royal family and make sure we could see the level we are sending to Maswat. The path forward to a democratic Swaziland, Maswat, from where I'm sitting, might require a military intervention. So we must not be fools. Good leave le lage la tsatfa pass le we are atumnage to good dopa pass we leave. Vele good dopa pass we leave. So we must prepare ourselves defensively and militarily to make sure we are ready to govern and to take over the country. This is what we must do. And I'm unapologetic about that. We must do this. And we need the right leaders. At the moment, we don't have the right leaders to do it, but we need them. We need to recruit them. We need to find them and make sure we have the right people who have the right heart, who have the right mettle, who have the right attitude to make sure that we can have a people's defense organ. This is what we must do. And if we don't do that, we must forget that there's ever going to be any change that we can catalyze. We must forget. So we need a leadership that's very serious and very clear what the agenda must be, how it must be structured, tactically, strategically, resource-wise, and otherwise. We must have a people's defense organ put in place. And this defense organ must gel and intersect with the military inside Swaziland, because the military will play a role in the transitioning this country to a new democratic dispensation. So this is what I want to say here today in very clear terms. Number 3, and ngigcina maswaba shito ngathi ngifuna kusheshe ngicethe namhlanje but ngingakacethi ngifuna kugcizelela indaba ukuthi mabavula nje le recruitment le announcewe kule army day le yengcile, comrades must go and join the army. Disciplined comrades who are going to report back to the party, and to the party I mean Ipudem, must go and join the army and be linked back to Pudem, so that you are part of the army, you are embedded in the army, and you are part of the revolution and the democratic project. This is what we're saying. Kuthi-ke batani sefabenze njani kwabo lokho, let them deal with that. Thina was saying kubete comrade boycott army. Don't boycott the army. That's the route to the guns and the defensive materials that we need for a revolution. Sibuyeke kunal point lekugcina, a post Mswati future. Hey, Mswati. Mswati is not going to be here forever. And we must prepare for his demise. When he's gone, where he's dead, we must be ready to make sure that this country doesn't ever again fall into the hands of another dictator. What has happened in our body politics is that this king has become the stumbling block to change. Even those people who might have felt to go, no, we need to talk, we need to sit down. We have analyzed and we have realized that this man is the one now who has become a very serious impediment to any prospect of change in this country. Everyone you talk to, ambassadors, experts, trade partners, other governments we've consulted, all of them tell us that no, the problem is the king. He's the one intractable force, the one person who believes that is why ataba emboldened so if that's the case, so kufuna sitshele singemaswati no we need now ukuthi isale simela ukuthi sasale sisebenza indzabe ukuthi lelive silisebende silisebendele tu ukuthi akasekho yena, because it's become the problem. Ngeke sonke silive sincengane nemuntu munye sibanjwe ngumuntu munye sonke nje asibambe ngetinsamo. No, we can't accept that. So we have come to a point kulelive la ubona khona ukuthi no, iproblem yethu nayo la ikhona khona nangu umuntu nalo losichaphatako sonke lave 1.2 million of us sichashadwa indvodza yinye nebafati bayo nebantwana bayo. What kind of country can be run like that? So we need now to say, first, he's the problem. So once we've seen that he's the problem, we find ways to remove the problem and then prepare the country to start having a future without the problem. And we can't have that, Maswati, if we don't plan in advance. We don't come together and make sure we are of one mind, we are of singular purpose in what we want to do. And we don't have to pull the entire house down to deal with this problem. There is one man and his family who is our problem to solve this problem. And so in doing that, it must also be clear that we are not going to allow anyone else kude lenye inkosi letawuphinza ibe khona la kuleli veleli isicilade ngalendlela lesesiciladeke ngayo singemaswati kude. Nabe nje nicabanga ukuthi utawufa Mswati nibeke isicalo asicilade kakhulu kunamswati khohlwana. We're not going to accept that. Any other person who thinks they want to be a king in the future of this country, they will have to make sure that the country is free, is democratic. If they don't, there's not going to be any king. And this must be the attitude of everyone in the mass democratic movement. We must talk about a military revolutionary, a militant revolutionary. And it's a militant revolutionary because the conditions that this country has created politically with this containment strategy, this suppression, this killing, we've seen these things in history. Akukali ngathi kokuthi i-regime nase-threatened ifake abantu bejele naba siyababona abantu bahlele ejele bede emacala kodwa bahlele ejele ibulale bantu naba siyababona boComrade Thulani Maseko badutshuliwe babulawa bomsimisi Mkhwanazi boSimile Sangweni boChawe Mhlanga. All these people I'm talking about were killed for the interest of a family. Why? We must not allow that. So rather humble a family. We can't have the Maswati after in their numbers just because of a family. No. The best thing at humble a family kusale la Maswati. Ngoba in any case, le live al silo la le family, le live le Maswati. This is what we're saying. So, and thine ke laba sithuswa ngemabutela thine ukuthi utasithusa nje umthuse ngelibutela ukuthi kunjanjani ngidakwenda ukuthi no. Angithuswa ngilento leyo mina. I'm very clear here what we must do, and we must give our people confidence that these things can be done, and we must do them, and we will do them, and we are planning to do them. We're taking this revolution to a very different level now, and every liswati lelikhona lelithi lona lilaka mass democratic movement, we want you to comply with that kind of thinking. We will no longer tolerate the nonsense of people who are holding us back. No, we must go all out now. The next launch of the People's Defense must make sure that it's a launch that is vibrant, that is radical, that is targeted, that will achieve the objective of bringing back this country to the people. And we are saying, if this royal family doesn't initiate a dialogue for a Maswati to sit down and chart a way forward, then they will have to be removed. It's as simple as this. They will have to be removed. So I'm saying to you, Maswati, ngithi kini ngoba siyayisive la ku-media niyayengwa kuthiwa hey bantu bathanza inkosi bayithanza thina bayithanza akunankosi siyithanza ke thina lelive leli lethu lelive leli siyati kahle ukuthi ingadi yabokhokhomkhulu bethu yachithelwa lona angeke ke siciladwe ngumuntu la kulelive. So bonke bantu nya they must prepare for a future where if this king continues on the path that he is in, it will be a future without the king. This is what we are saying. It will be a future without the king. So and this message is to everyone. Nala labasemasotsheni bangiva ngiyathi ukuthi a lot of the intelligence institution guys are here. They're listening to me today. I'm talking to you. Ngithi kini angeke lelive le the containment strategy that you are using is not going to last for long. And in the end, ekugcineni kwakonke kutabanga la Maswati lakuthola lokhu lakufuna. And atakuthola la Maswati lokhu lakufunako akhona Mswati noma angekho. Kodwa lokumcoka lokhu kakhulu ngoba sesithi nyalo eMaswati akalungisele vele ifuture lengenaye lo Mswati. That's what Swazis must do. And now we can see ukuthi all the ingredients of making sure that Swaziland without a king is achieved are moving in place. They are conspiring towards ensuring that the freedom of the people is realized. This is the main message that we have. The era noma ke lesikhathi senkosi lenemandla onke siphelile lesikhathi leso. The era of an omniscient absolute monarch in our lives is over. It is time now to change things, change course to make sure ukuthi we put this country on the right pedestal. Uganda, the time has come for this country to change, and this country is going to change. And the people must be at the center of changing this. Indzaba yemalungelo emaswati sengcini, indzaba yemalungelo emaswati ekutibusa, ukuthi sovereignty yawo ibe kuwo, akusiyo indzaba maswati yekukhetha ukuthi ukhetha ukhosi noma ukhetha emaphathi. No, it's inherent, it's an inalienable right. Sisho njalo lesilungu, inalienable right. Lisho silungelo lakho lotalwa nalo uphume esibelethweni samawakho ukuthi ungahlangana nabanye abantu ungakhulumisa indzaba zepolitiki. Yini ukuthi singakwendi konke lokhu sigcilatwa ngumndeni nje ukuthi singakwendi lokho? Ngenza bekuthi nasikhuluma indzaba delive sasesicala kubuta ukuthi le mali lelive isebenzelani kanje, singasebenzi kanje, ingafiki kubogogo nabomkhulu, ingafiki ama scholarships ebantwana, ingakhi izibhedlela, ingakhi izikolo, ingakhi imigwaqo. Akufuneki sikubute thina tonke inkoleto lavela bese kuthiwa sitingundla unique. Nonsense. That is absolute nonsense, and we will not tolerate any nonsense in this political playing field anymore. We'll move in a very radical way, and we need radical leaders who are sharp in the mind, who know what needs to be done, who are clear about it, and who can discharge that function. I-visionary perspectives eSwatini-ke iyanibonga amaswati akisi kuhlalisana nayo namhla kusihlwa. Ngiyacela ukuthi niphinde nikhumbule ukuthinza nekushelelisa likinopho lato letinkulumo tanamhla pheceleti share party, ukuthi le ndzaba esitikhulumisa la letisindzako lekukhanya kwekuthi singadingelwa sibulawelwe tona, tifike nakulabanye bantu nasetukulwaneni letako. Nathi maswati ukuthi kunemaswati la ngeke ayicompromise liciniso, la ngeke adede ukukhulumela iqiniso, status okwesaba, sitawusaba kuze kube nini? If we continue letting fear govern our hearts, if we continue letting fear disable us from moving forward to our freedom, then we will never be free, neither will our children. So we need to make sure that we come to a point where even if we die, it is okay. But we must not be fearful. It is better to die as a person who had shared their fear than to die begging for your life and fearful about the possibilities of your death. So kufuneka emaswati ayekele kwesaba. Bantu labo, Mswati ngumuntu. He's a human being. Nothing kule yonke le nonsense ethi unesikhwama, unesigubhu, rubbish yonke le mole. Noma ngaba nato letikhwama netigubhu athakatha ayekupha aphume nesikhuni isivuthe elwandle. He's a human being and he can be defeated. And that's the attitude of a militant revolutionary that everyone must have. Siyabonga ke maswati akithi, sethemba ukuthi siliviki silisombulukako liyawuniphatha kahle nonke. Siyethemba ukuthi la ka visionary perspectives eSwatini nihlalisene nathi nativa kahle letingxoxo besikhulumisana ngato. Siyathanda ke maswati akithi ukuthi liviki lisachubeka nisikhulumisane uma ngabe khona lengakakuva kahle nisithinze siyawube sesiyakhona ukuthi siniphendule. Siyathi ke ukuthi samemetela nelihlelo lapha athini emaswati. Siyabona lokho ukuthi engathi luyabobotha aludi kahle ngalendlela lesifuna ukuthi lude ngayo. Nasithi siya-analyze siyabona so mhlawumbe le ndzaba ivela kuko lokwesaba, maswati ayesaba kusendala ama-voice note noma kunjalo. So-ke siyaqhubeka sibuke maswati kule nyanga ukuthi kunjani, siyakhona yini lokhu kukwenda lokhu lesikufunako. Mabe akukhonakala ukuthi lolu hlelo luchubeke ngalendlela besilimemetele ngalo loma voice notes, siyawenda lenye indlela ukuthi mhlawumbe sile approach ngalenye indlela lesiseta icabanga khona la ka visionary perspective eSwatini. The Black Mamba, ngivela Mamba, ujabulile kuhlalisana nawe. Ngathi eliviki leni ngaba lihle nonke, siyanithanda nonke emakhaya, amaswati akithi, nisale kahle, siyabonga kakhulu.